Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market alert for Wednesday, February 16th. Stock futures are pointing to a higher open on Wall Street as investors react to a reading of inflation at the wholesale level, a big deal in the pharmaceutical industry, and quarterly numbers from Dell. The PC maker said net income nearly tripled in the fourth quarter, driven by strong corporate sales of servers and networking equipment. Dell also said it expects revenue growth of 5 to 9% this year, at the high end of analyst estimates. Shares of Dell are jumping 6% on the news.
A long-awaited deal among drug makers is finally moving forward. France's Sanofi-Aventis has reached an agreement to buy biotech firm Genzyme for more than $20 billion in cash, plus the right for Genzyme shareholders to receive more if certain milestones are met. The boards of both companies have approved the deal, which is expected to close in the next couple months. Both stocks are moving higher on the news. Elsewhere on the M&A front, Family Dollar Stores is being targeted by activist investor Nelson Peltz. His Trian fund management offered to buy the retailer for $55 to $60 a share, or about $7 to $7.5 billion. Trian already owns 8% of Family Dollar stock, which makes it the largest shareholder. Right now, Family Dollar is surging more than 25%, and Goldman Sachs boosted its price target on the stock.
Some other stocks are likely to jump at the open, thanks to strong earnings. Comcast is rising nearly 6% after its profit and revenue topped Wall Street forecasts. Comcast also boosted its quarterly dividend. Investors are also reacting to results from competing media firm Cablevision. Meanwhile, net income at farm equipment maker Deere & Company more than doubled, beating expectations. Deere also boosted its earnings estimate for the full year. The stock is jumping 4% on the news. On the other end of the spectrum, Dean Foods is dropping more than 3% after reporting disappointing fourth quarter results. After the closing bell, CBS is set to post its quarterly numbers.
Analyst actions may move a couple other stocks this morning. Sprint Nextel is rising more than 1% after Argus Research upgraded it to a buy. But NYSE Euronext is likely to fall further today after dropping more than 3% yesterday. Macquarie cut its rating on the stock exchange operator to neutral after it agreed to a merger with Germany's Deutsche Börse. And finally, Borders Group filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. The bookseller plans to close about 30% of its stores in the next several weeks. That's the latest from Weiss Research. We'll be back after the opening bell with all the economic news and market reaction.